Thousands marching in cities across the nation, closely packed in with each other, causing concerns the protests could trigger a second wave of the coronavirus. Expanded testing will help prevent that spread, said the head of the White House Coronavirus Task Force.
So that the individuals who were involved in the peaceful protest can get tested and really know their status before they unknowingly spread it.
The virus has killed more than 105,000 people in the U.S., disproportionately impacting people of color. As those protests are happening, voters in 8 states and the District of Columbia practicing social distancing to cast ballots in key primary elections Tuesday, part of a phased reopening of public places in all 50 states. That reopening cheered here in Colorado. Its governor telling lawmakers the state needs to know what resources it will receive as it moves ahead with reopening.
If we're going to plan in coordination with our federal partners, we need to make sure we have all the cards on the table. Everybody knows exactly what we're going to get when, what we're not going to get when, and then the states try to fill in the holes.
Some state and local leaders saying the stay-at-home orders of the spring aren't an option if the virus returns in the fall.
We can't go back and say we're going to all be shut down. We've got to go into the fall, recognize there could be another wave, but we can't go back into sheltering in place. We have to be able to manage through this risk, and that is through the testing, that is through the contact tracing, and that's through the social distancing until we get a vaccine.
More than 40 million Americans have filed for unemployment since stay-at-home orders shut down large portions of the economy. Congressional Democrats say the more than $3 trillion in aid passed so far is still not enough.
I think we need a big, strong, bold bill. I support COVID-4.
But Senate Republicans want to pause to see how the already passed aid is working, saying they will take up consideration of more aid in July. Catherine Gibson, VOA News, Washington.
Hopefully tonight will be more peaceful even than that.